Hey guys, it's Rita. I am participating in the Ultimate Fall Wreath playlist tonight, and I am late getting my video up, but I would like to thank Natalie with Design to the Nines and Kristen K for hosting this Ultimate Fall Wreath playlist. So I hope you enjoy what I've come up with. I will link Kristen and Natalie's channels below. Be sure to check out Kristen and Natalie's channels below. I'm also leaving a link to the playlist, and you will be amazed at what these guys come up with. So let's get right to mine, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll be using one of the wire wreaths from Dollar Tree, and this mesh is also from Dollar Tree. I have 2 black, actually I'll be using 3 black, 2 purple, and 2 of those multicolored, along with these chenille stems. I will cut the mesh at about 18 inches, and then I will begin placing it on the wreath. And it is really late, guys, so I'm going to be stuttering if I keep talking. I'll just let you watch what I come up with. Okay guys, I'm not sure what's happened to my video tonight, but what I did was tie the chenille stems around the wreath, and I have a total of 5 in each section, and I would layer a purple and black and then a multicolor and black, alternating all the way around the wreath. And then I'm going to decorate it, and I'll show you what I've come up with. Sorry for the shortness of the video tonight. So here it is, guys. All the items for this wreath I picked up at Dollar Tree, including the ribbon. I do plan to add some lights to it later. And so yeah, this is what I've come up with. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so sorry the video was so short. I don't know what happened tonight, but I did get the wreath made, and I will be able to post it before midnight. So thank you so much, Kristen and Natalie, for hosting this Fall Ultimate Wreath playlist. And thank you so much to my subscribers. I do appreciate your support. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.